In today's video, I'm gonna be making some Creole style baked chicken. Well seasoning, crispy and juicy. Welcome to Emma HT Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So I'm gonna start first by cleaning up the chicken. I'm gonna wash it with lime and vinegar. I'm gonna make sure that I clean it very well. This step is very important, guys, if you want your chicken to come out well, seasoning to come out with great taste. This is important to do that. And now I'm gonna add some hot water on it, you guys. After I rinse it up, I'm gonna rinse it up first with cold water. So now I'm putting it back into the container, and then now I'm adding the hot water on it, the boiled water on it, you guys. So this is also important for great taste, and also it will help me to take the part that I don't really not want in the chicken easily. So now I'm gonna take most of the part that I'm gonna take off, or the fat part. I'm gonna take them out of the chicken. And also, after you put the hot water, you can let it cool down a little bit before you touch it, because it was very hot. So now I'm using some lemon pepper season, some garlic powder, very important, some black pepper, very important, paprika and chili powder. I add some Haitian epice on it, some dry parsley and thyme on it, you guys. You don't have to add like a lot of salt or a lot of seasoning. Just a little bit can help, because you guys, it's important to not use a lot of salt in your food. And for me, I don't really use salt, like, because it's not that good. But I added some salt on it too, some maggie. But you can either make it with just a little bit of salt without maggie, or just maggie with a little bit of salt. But this time I use a little bit of everything, but it comes out perfectly, you guys. Now I'm adding some celery, some bell pepper, some onion on it, some tomatoes. Let it bake for about like 30 minutes, and then take it off at 450 degrees. It's important to know to control the level of the stove, of the oven before you put it. It should be 450 degrees, you guys, so the chicken can come out juicy and well cooked. So now, after blending up all the vegetables that I put in there, so now I'm gonna put them after blending up, I'm gonna put the sauce in there, let it cook for about like 30 minutes again, you guys. When I tell you, this chicken was so delicious, this would be literally the perfect chicken to eat with everything, you guys. Everything you have with sweet potatoes, rice, potatoes, it's perfect, this recipe. So after it cooks, you guys, I add some fresh onion in there. When I tell you, this chicken was well seasoning, juicy and crispy on the outside, you guys. I enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.